black pepper, garlic, lamb, carrot, rice ball or black pepper, garlic, lamb, carrot, pilaf or black pepper, garlic, mutton, carrot, rice ball. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot recipes and one of the most unique of the pilaf recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice ball recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the mutton recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pepper recipes. We're going to make black pepper, garlic, lamb, carrot, rice ball. 400 grams of lamb or mutton pieces, cleaned thoroughly, cut into pieces. Ingredients are 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. Saute. Put in ginger, salt, and salt mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Parsley salt. Put in salt to taste. Put in 4 spoon of mixture spices, spoon of black pepper powder, and quarter spoon turmeric powder. Thoroughly mix patty. Put in the mutton piece. Thoroughly mix in the mutton piece. Thoroughly mix. Until all the ingredients and everything incorporated into the mutton piece. The spices. Thoroughly mix. Put in the carrot pieces. Thoroughly mix in the carrot pieces. let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for pouring around 50 to 60 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 30 minutes. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Put in salt to taste. Mix in the salt. And let this mixture cook for 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Put in some mint and curry leaves on top as garnish. Now the black pepper, garlic, lamb, carrot pilaf is ready. Can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper, garlic, lamb, carrot pilaf, or black pepper, garlic, lamb, carrot rice ball, or black pepper, garlic, mutton, carrot rice ball. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the carrot recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb recipes and one of the most delicious of the mutton recipes and one of the most unique of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the garlic recipes. One of the most easiest to make with the rice ball recipes. One of the most different of the pilaf recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.